For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Betway Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Makesi 0. Mdlalo we-Betway Premiership Moses Mabhida Stadium. Oh, seemingly empty. Moses Mabhida Stadium. But remember, the last time Kaizer Chiefs played at this stadium, if I'm not mistaken, I stand to be corrected, they played against Durban City, and it was sold out at the beginning of the season. I remember there was also a delay where fans they were still coming into the stadium, but namhlanje you could see there were more blue seats than gold and black Kaizer Chiefs stands. We don't know what's happening there, but the team is winning. They just won now their second consecutive game. Mr. So, benubukela nawo lo mdlalo namhlanje. Kunjani mhlekazi, right?
Ngicela ngibulise Mr. Nkiwo.
Yeah.
Ngibulise TKJ, ngibulise chairman, ngibulise Chucks and Chucks, Bobo Kaduso. Mhlekazi omhle.
Mr. So.
Ongasubhubha ngecawe. Ngibusela emakhaya ngicela support njalo la Itiski TV. Ngizobe njalo ngijike futhi.
In a good mood today.
No, I'm always in a good mood. You know, as people we are blessed differently, Shane. Yeah, so if we are blessed to hold left and right, you know, let people accept that I'm blessed to hold the left and right. So some people, they make my life to be difficult, that I can't enjoy this privilege that God gave me. I'm a Christian for life. That's a big team.
Hey! Yeah.
No, Mhlekazi, ngiyakubona ufake Arsenal.
Yeah. We are playing a final tomorrow.
Oh, okay, no.
We are playing a final tomorrow.
No, I thought it was a mistake because Kaizer Chiefs are playing, so I was wondering maybe
no.
a black color or maybe any gold color.
No, Mr. So we're playing a Carabao Cup final tomorrow against Manchester City. Yes.
Okay, no problem. Shane.
Mr. So.
Kaizer Chiefs, they've won against a PSL team called Makesi. Yeah, I make sure that I call it like that so that everyone knows that they were not playing against amateur team. No, they were playing against the PSL team, Makesi. That's the team that they beat Sundowns in the Carling Black level. Do you remember? Oh, you forgot. Okay.
Hey, Mr. So.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying. This
you had to go back to last season to prove Gucci, this is Makesi. Otherwise, this season, Mr. So, they are 16th on the log.
No. That's why I wanted people to hear this and be clear that this is a PSL team. We need to respect Makesi. They are not adding just a number in the PSL. No, they're also competing. But unfortunately, it's just that it happens, that they face Amakosi tonight. And Amakosi,
dangerous Amakosi.
Yeah, they are
free scoring Amakosi.
They are back in winning ways.
They are not conceding. They are scoring, they are not conceding. Brice Vuma is keeping clean sheets left, right, and center.
Ask them, they will tell you. Did Kaizer Chiefs concede any goal? They will tell you no. Then you can ask other teams, they do concede. But Amakosi, no.
No.
Shane.
Mr. So.
It's good to see the changes from the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs, putting this boy Villarasi. They did that last week. He gave Teaspoon, scored a goal. That means that's an assist. You must count. That's an assist. He did that again today, an assist. Eventually decided that, look, I've assisted last week. Even now I did assist. Let me show them how to do it. That's how Kaizer Chiefs, they do things this nowadays. Yeah. These boys, if they give you an assist, you don't do it, they go and do it by themselves. Beautiful goal of Duba. I like, what I like with that goal of Duba? It's a special goal that when they received that pass from Teaspoon, he just cooled down, to buy in the defender, to say, come to my level. And the minute that defender also breathe, then he made a skill, a beautiful skill, and a very quick skill. You know, sometimes you find players that they want to buy in the opponent, but when they react in terms of dribbling, they slow. But Tutuba, he acted very quick. And yeah, the keeper there, he was very smart. You know, sometimes when you've got experience, sometimes it doesn't work with you sometimes. Because I saw that he opened the first pole for Duba to say, here's a first pole here. So that Duba will be buy-in to go to first pole. Because if you can look at how he made his dive, he dived here on the first pole. Yeah. It's because of he did open it. He closed the right side and opened the left side so that Duba will think that no vulegile masango la sangena. And then unfortunately Duba just took it to where the goalkeeper comes from, and beautiful goal. And Kaizer Chiefs, they played very well. And I said it in the half time that after a long time, seeing Kaizer Chiefs creating chances like this, and you know, the other good thing is that even the final touches there in the box, well, they look good.
Well, they're improving.
Yeah, they look good. But after 20 minutes, I don't know, maybe Kaizer Chiefs, they train for 20 minutes, I don't know. Because after 20 minutes, then Kaizer Chiefs was nowhere to be seen. Then Makezi started now
gaining
to believe
confidence,
that, we can do it. You know, they make changes, Chiramandara, try with the free kick there and there. But yeah, Shane, I think it was not really a game that we will have in Zining. But yeah, well done to Kaizer Chiefs.
You feel like Guti, Kaizer Chiefs, because remember last week they played against Durban City.
Yeah.
Unalapo so a game where they had a couple of chances but they scored one.
Yeah.
Namhlanje for a change, Kaizer Chiefs scored 2 goals. So from upper so ungati batinga ukuthi ba improve down in order to score more than 1 goal, because we've been talking about indaba yo Kaizer Chiefs scored a goal only 1, but namhlanje they scored 2. So from upper so bangabamba down ukuthi ba maintain le ndawo ukuthi ba score 2 or even more goals.
I've realized one thing, Shane. You know, if I don't call them, then they don't respond. So today I called them. After time, I said, no, the score should be 2-0. They said, we will try. I said, no, I just only want 2. They always say we win with 1 goal. No, today it should be 2. I called them, I told them, we must win 2-0. And yes, now they've won 2-0. No, I'm joking, Shane. But you know, Shane, it's worrying. It's worrying really that the average goal for Kaizer Chiefs games is 1 goal. You know, yes, you end up looking back and say, but what about these other teams? You know, and it's disturbing because we had a chat with Mr. Nkeo to say if Kaizer Chiefs, they are where they are today by scoring 1 goal. It's worrying in terms of what these other teams are doing in the league. But anyway, Shane, they always say, if your house is still the guy, that is good. That's what Kaizer Chiefs are doing. They make sure that they don't concede, but they score 1. But today at least 2. Shane, I've got points here. I don't know whether I'm watching a different game, but the names were Makesi and Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
If I'm a player, I know, Shane, that you've got speed, you're beating me with speed. And I'm a center back. If you draw in the midfield and I follow you, what am I doing? I'm trying to, meaning the opponent is forcing me to create a space behind me so that he will turn and make that run. So now I ask as a coach to say, so in this game, there's 2 things that you need to defend. You need to defend a ball and the player.
Yeah.
So if you can't get the ball, then you must get the player. So now, Miguel, he couldn't get a ball, he couldn't get a player. He was lucky to finish the game.
Yeah.
He was very lucky. We were seeing now that the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs, seeing what we are seeing, that he made He got a yellow card
In the first half, yeah.
and then he made some fouls that I think he was supposed to get a second yellow card and a red card. So I don't know. Maybe that's why I'm saying maybe I'm watching a different game, but with the same name. Because if as a coach seeing your player that has been thrown there and then they play the ball behind him and then they beat him with speed, then why don't you call him and say, boy, look, don't follow him. Don't follow. If he goes there, call the defensive midfielders. You've got Mabuya there. You've got Omshini there. Tell them, hey, he's coming, it's just behind you, so that they can look behind and then attack Kenyan. Than you going there, because as he goes in, they play behind, there's a space. I don't know. Maybe that's why I'm saying maybe I'm watching a different game.
Yeah,
but-
so before Sivan, so we saw what you call Casric Stars,
Yeah.
Gwinnett Bank Cup
Yes.
against Pirates.
Yeah.
You saw them against Amazulu.
Yeah.
There's a Milford who are topping the log.
Yeah.
There's a Cape Town City who played Namhlanje. They drew against Evander 1-1.
Yeah.
Quality football as a team. Cape Town City, we all know them. They have a history in the PSL.
Yes.
When you're watching a team like Imakis, it's all. What would it mean for e-league year to next season if Imakis remains in this league and then Kazakh Stars, Milford or Cape Town City, they remain with NFT? What will that mean for this league, Betway Premiership?
Shane, you know, it will be a sad thing to really happen in our football if it's going to be like that. Because I was saying to Ujuna, I understand the Makesi, they don't have quality players. But I always say, with the material that you've got, you know, I know if I go to Randburg Football Club, this is the material that I've got. I must make use. I cannot cry and say, I don't have Sereno, I don't have Teaspoon, I don't have Uvilagas. I know I don't have. So I need to make use of this material that I've got. Same applies as you just mentioned about Casterik, about Milford. Casterik, they've shown that, look, we don't have Abu Sibelebele, we don't have Abu Mfuking. But Opax, he makes sure that my players are going to work as a team.
Yeah.
And it worked very well for him. That's why he's going all the way in the Nedbank Cup.
Next season, would you like to see one of those
let's-
three teams with Betway Premiership?
Yeah, let's give others a chance, especially when you see Milford where they are now, when you see Ilondo Castric where they are.
Cape Town City.
Cape Town City.
Yeah.
I think they deserve a chance.
For me
Let's
personally,
give-
so with the Cape Town City back in this league,
Yeah.
watching a Cape Town City, I've watched a couple of games, Zabo, Cape Town City, NFD,
Yeah.
and I've watched a couple of games Zemakis this
Yes.
season.
Yeah.
And I believe, so Guti, with the Cape Town City back in this league, this league will be much better next season than what we've seen this season so far with Timakesi. But let's close it. So the league will unfold. The league, this football thing, sometimes about honest, sometimes but it's not honest. But I think football this season will be honest, and we might see improvement with teams Z2 for next season. But Namhlanje Moses Mabhida Stadium, it's Kaizer Chiefs 2, Makesi 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.